Hello dear students, welcome to Devika's Commerce and Management Academy. So far whatever we have discussed related to the marketing, 3 episodes, 3 videos, you got an understanding? Today we'll see one important topic, marketing mix. Wherever you go, whether you are a finance student, HR students, of course marketing students, this 4 P's or marketing mix compulsory topic. Interviews or anywhere they'll be asking what is marketing mix. Can you explain the 4 P's of marketing? Important question. Okay. Marketing mix, generally we have one kind of marketing, that is 4 P's marketing. Later it got developed. This 4 P's, few more P's are added, 3 more P's are added. Then it has become additional or otherwise new marketing mix. Traditionally we have 4 P's only, that is marketing mix we say, or traditional marketing mix you can say. We'll discuss that first, the 4 P's of marketing mix. 4 P's means 4 P's, 1, 2, 3, 4, all are starting with P only. What is important for marketing means if you focus on 4 P's, marketing area is covered maximum. We can catch up, we can develop it, we can achieve the target if you follow this 4 P's. What are the 4 P's? First one is product. You are focusing on the product first. If product is proper, if product is having good quality, if product is prepared according to the technology, according to the new technology, then according to that if you prepare automatically the product will attract the customers. Isn't it? That is why you have to focus first on the product, then everything comes later. So focus on the product. When you wanted to focus on the product, not only you have to focus on your product, you have to focus on the other products also. Who are the competitors? What kind of products we have in the competition, the marketing level. So these products also you have to consider, then according to that, how is my product? In that way, you are focusing first on the product. Product should have good quality, no doubt at all. It must be a masterpiece. It must have a unique quality. So that's product. Then second P comes to price. First P is product and second P is price. Product is okay, ready, good quality, no doubt. And what about the price? Deciding the price is also going to decide your product and your business. What should be the price? Before deciding the price, you have to do some marketing survey. Just survey, marketing survey, and in the market what kind of same similar products are there, what is the price they have decided, and what is the price we can decide according to that. Nearby is okay, but if you keep more price, the other products which are available at cheaper rate, you know, most of the people are common people in our India, so they prefer to purchase those products, then this will be a problem for our product. So that is why price fixing is a very big and crucial task of any marketing management. Price, be careful while fixing the price. If it is very low, no doubt you will have demand, but at the same time you have to maintain the quality of the product, and whatever benefits you are supposed to get, that you won't be getting it. Did you hear the Bata price strategy? If the product is, for example, if the product means shoe or chappal, anything, if the product is, for example, 1000 rupees, they won't say 1000 rupees, they say 999. If it is 500, 499, it means 1 rupee they are decreasing. It means that customer mindset they are reading. Customer is having a feeling that I am not paying 1000 rupees, 900 change. Just 1 rupee, does it make any difference? Not at all. But it makes difference on the mindset of the customer. Do you get it? That like that? There are many types of pricing strategies, like penetration strategy of pricing. In the initial stage, they keep price less, slowly they'll increase the price. Once if the customer is accustomed to our product, then we can increase the price. This is one kind of price strategy. And another kind of pricing strategy is that in the initial stage keep the product price high, so that all high class people will buy it. Slowly you decrease it. Next category of people will buy it. Next decrease it. Like this. This is another. Anyhow, different strategies are there. Which strategy you have to follow? Please be careful. Okay, price fixing. Product is okay, price is okay. Next, place. Third point, place means where to sell the products. Who are the customers, where they are residing. So where we can reach our product, that is place. Deciding the place is also very important factor. If the product is near to the customer area, then they won't take any much risk. They feel very comfortable. Yes, my product is near to my area, I can buy it anytime. Example shall I give you? Suppose a marble company or tiles company business we have. If we keep our business outskirts of the city, who will buy? Who will come to know about our product? Very rarely. The same thing if you keep it where the construction is going on, new colonies are developing, at that area you start your business. New venture or new construction is going on, flats or plots, independent house, duplex house, there you start your business. You will find a lots of demand. So that's about the importance of the place where you are starting the place. Customers, near to the customers, located area, prime area, demanded area, in that areas you have to start. Okay, place is decided. Then after that, promotion. Product is okay, price we have fixed, and place also we have this fixed. Then lastly we have to focus on the promotion. How to promote it? Important. All this task we have done. Now promoting the products. How to promote it? There are different ways to promote the product. Media, you can choose it, and you can meet the customers directly, press meet, or through the TV. So there are many ways to promote our product. The promotion is depends on the organization. If your organization is small, then you better to choose the nearby area promotion. If it is your product is very big, all over India, all over world it is available, then you have to choose the better and bigger version of the promotion. So if these four products, if you are focusing, that is we call it as a marketing, means nothing but marketing is covered with this four areas. This is traditional. Long ago, this marketing mix got developed. What are those four? Product, price, place, and promotion. Able to remember? Product, price, place, and promotion. To the same marketing mix, they have introduced extended three more P's. That is new marketing mix. So in new marketing mix, why they have developed three more means this product mix. This is not going to applicable for the service based organizations. Those who are giving services, for them few things we have ignored it. That few things are added into the expanded or extended marketing mix. Means we have expanded this. Same four P's are same as it is. The first one is product is same, price is same, place is same, promotion. These four are same as it is. To the same four, we have added three more. That is fifth one is people, physical evidence, and process. Now, need not to discuss about these 4 points. Already we have covered over there. Now let's talk about the people. People means who are directly related to the company. Related to the company, they have to decide that who are the customers, how we can attract the customers, and what are the strategies you have to do it. So that comes under the people. People means this is mainly depending on the employees of the organization who are appointed for the marketing purpose. Different strategies and training to them and coming up with new strategies, implementing these new strategies. So this everything comes under the people. We are promoting, but what about these people who are appointed in the organization? We have to focus on them because we are giving the salaries to them. They are working for the organization. Unless you encourage, you keep an eye, and unless you motivate them, so they won't be working. That is why people also important. Second one, physical evidence. Physical evidence means generally in organization you'll be having some physical items like dress, machines, furniture, and material, products ready to serve, ready to dispose. So these are all you can say it as physical evidence. What is visible directly? Those physical evidences also you have to focus. So where it is, how much you are spending, so are you paid properly, and are you having excess of any kind of physical items. If excess means useless. So like you have to keep an eye on this also. Okay. Then last P is that process. Process means nothing but evaluating the company process. Everything starting from the business to end of the business till that period process. How is the process is going on? Focus on the process. We have some strategies as we have discussed in the last class. Functions of the marketing, right? Marketing management functions. So those functions, first one we are planning, then after that we are organizing and staffing and also directing and evaluation. Like all these steps together, process is going properly or not? Are we finding any kind of difficulties in any phase? So that you have to focus. That's called as a process. Okay. Only 3 P's we have added. That is called as expanded marketing mix. What are those? People, physical evidence, and then process. Simple. Same one. 3 things we have added. Hope it is clear. Very important topic. Take the screenshot. So don't miss in examination whether short or essay question you can expect it, and interviews are anywhere marketing mix they'll ask you. They may say marketing mix, they may say 4 P's or expanded P's, 7 P's expanded. Okay, so anything they may ask, but make sure that you must have knowledge. If somebody asks you early morning, come on, wake up and tell me what are the 4 P's, you should be able to answer it. Stay connected, check out the playlist, and don't forget to share these videos. Good luck.